I told myself from 2020 to 2022 that all I was going to do was self-storage because storage was good and real estate was good, and I was like, damn, this is the best business I've ever, like, real estate private equity. And when you ask me later what I think is the best business of all time, I still think it's real estate private equity, but I don't think that I'm going to be focusing on a sole industry. I think I can, so many people, and maybe this is my own insecurity and kind of my ego, but so many people, when I did my first thing outside of storage, my first small business promotion on Twitter, they're like, focus is the key. And as soon as you get unfocused, that's when millionaires lose their millions. And that's when, it falls apart. And that's when you can no longer be a good father. And that's when you can no longer have hobbies. And that's when you can no longer stay healthy and have a balanced life. So I kind of a flip switched in my head. And another part of this is that I preach it all the time. So I'm kind of preaching to myself about, having balance and being able to do it all. But a flip switched in my head a couple years ago, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to prove all these fucking people wrong. I'm going to prove them all wrong. Like, I can be healthy. I can have a lot of friends. I can go out drinking a couple nights a week, even though Twitter thinks it's going to kill me. I can go play golf when I want to play golf, and I can build 10 or 20 great businesses. I'm going to show all of you. So that's my kind of mindset, is that, hey, I can do all this stuff. And people who think that focus is critical, like, I agree. Like, focus is amazing and it's different strokes for different folks, but I'm going to show you that I don't need to work 80 hours a week to build massive wealth. And I think that's my goal. I don't know if I'll accomplish it or not, or if I'm going to come back on here in a year telling you a horror story of how I just couldn't handle the pressure anymore and, shut it all down. But I'm having fun so far.